What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to show you all how to play Save You by Mathews Perryman Jones. So for this song we have the capo on the third fret, and it's actually a lot easier to play with that capo on the third fret. And if you just want to play that without the capo, the chords will be B flat, E flat, then we will have C minor. So therefore to avoid all the bar chords, we just put the capo on the third fret and we just have three simple chord shapes to learn. So let's hop into the structure. We'll start with the verse, then we have the chorus, then the next verse, then the next chorus. Then we have an instrumental, likely the solo. Now the solo is not sort of playing a huge thing, it's actually too easy. With some simple notes they're just playing on the electric guitar, everything sounds good. So the solo is not good at all. But definitely you can just hit me up, comment below if you just want to learn any other blues stuff and all, jazzy solos and all. Never mind. Then we have another verse and another chorus. So that's how it goes, a very basic structure, verse, chorus. And one great thing about the song is it has the same chord progression as well as the same string pattern. Likely I'm just going to show you two ways to play and with one technique added to play the chord shapes. So now let's have a look at the chords. First chord will be a G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Now in the tab you'll see the B string is actually open, but it doesn't matter. You can just add your third fret on the B string, is both the same thing. Then we have a C major, which is mute 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then we have a A minor, which is mute 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Then we have a A minor 7, which is, if you just lift off your ring finger, it will be a minor 7. So it's a mute 0, 2, 0, 1, 0. Now throughout the whole song we have, that's it. So the chord progression of G, C, A minor 7, G, C, A minor, and in a loop this goes on throughout the whole song in repetition. So keep on third fret, it's actually, I told you before, it's super easy. Now there are ways to play this, like just want to play in the power chord shape. I think it goes in the song for a while. So let's have a look at the string pattern, because that's the main important thing over here. Have a good look over here, because this one is very much important, because if you know the string pattern, you are done with the song. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing is I have the count 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 1 and 2 and the 4 I'm doing a down, which mainly focuses on strumming the bass notes, likely the E, A and D string. So you got 1, 2, and on the 3 I'm doing a down, like I focus on strumming the full chord. So 1, 2, 3. So we have the accent on that beat, on the third beat we have. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it goes. So we repeat that 4 times for each chord. No matter what the chord is, we just repeat it for 4 times, and before changing it to the next chord, we actually do a down, down, up. So it's like down, 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 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And at the end, after doing another down, we'll do a down, up, and move on to the next chord. So see what I'm doing, I'm playing it very softly. One more time. So on the up I actually change to the next chord. So I move on to the C. And that's how I just go. One more thing which I just want to tell is, you can even add palm mating. Like when you just, after the chorus, you step into the next verse, what you can do is you can just become a bit of, it's the exact same thing, we just repeat the same thing, same string pattern, just with the palm mating added. So we have this part of a hand rested in front of the bridge of the guitar, get a very nice and soft sound, and that's what palm mating is. No, I'll tell you how much I know. So with palm mating added, it will sound something like this with G, C, A minor, and minor 7. same count, the same string pattern. If you want, while playing the A minor 7, your pinky is free right now. You can even hit it on the 3rd fret of the B string and just play along. So that doesn't matter a lot over here. Now most likely we are done, but if you just have a look at the power chord shapes, now these are actually much easier even than the open chords, power chords. So the basic shape is of the G major chord is 3rd fret on the E string, then 5th fret on the A string. Everything is related to capo on the 3rd fret. So I'm using my index, I'm using my pinky. It's a G5. I got the G over here and I got the 5 over here, and there is no minor or major in power chord because you don't have the 3rd. The 3rd is the reason behind the minor and the major. So we don't have a 3rd, we don't have any minor or major. So we got G5, G5. If you just go back, jump one string, so it will be a C5, which is 3 on the A, 5 on the D, and top E string muted, everything else muted. And then we have E5 and A7. It's a A5 power chord. Make sure to keep all of the string muted with your index. So that's the same chord progression. Instead, we just repeat the A minor chord, A5 chord twice, because there is no variation while playing the power chords. So let's play. Same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it almost for this lesson. There's nothing much to learn in the song, as I told you before, because we have the same chord progression and same rhythm going throughout the whole song. So most likely you are actually done. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. Also, I'm actually gonna buy some new stuff like mic and even some software for making more better tabs, and also camera if needed, but at the moment not, because most of the shops are actually closed. Few are actually open, those are not good. They don't know me or I don't know them, so it's better that I go to a shop where I'm actually a lot friendly, so they will give me a better product. I can actually choose quietly. So that's it, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.